Blazing sun
Morning.
on the shore. Time slows down, but offers more. Footprints pressed on shifting sand. In this wild we make our stand. A gentle breeze whispers secrets near. Simply mercy calms the fear. Through the chaos, her light shines, guiding hearts with love divine. Simply mercy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mercy. I'm a Nigerian content creator based in France, and I'm so glad to have you here. So it's very early in the morning, 9 a.m. I'm getting ready for work, and I decided to start a vlog. I need to leave this house in less than 15 minutes. I do not have enough space anymore on my phone, and I have been having difficulty to export this video to my phone. My phone memory is full, so even this one that I'm recording, I don't know how I'm gonna export it. Well, I know how. I'm gonna get a new phone probably tomorrow because today is Friday. I'm gonna get a new phone. I'm gonna get a new phone. I have a minute to buy a new phone. As a matter of fact, birthday present from my husband since December. I'm gonna like try to get a new phone tomorrow, so I'll be able to export all of my videos. Guys, I'm going to work like this. I don't have time for makeup. Liora, can I have my phone please? Yeah, thank you. What's the time now? Thank you. Hello. Hello. Hi, Cuckoo. Bye bye. Mwah. Mwah.
A melody that soothes the groove.
Look at my tired face. I'm so tired. I just got back from work and I've not eaten this morning. I need to eat something, and I need to clean up my kitchen. The sitting room is okay, just the kitchen, and I'm really tired. But I need to eat first. Let me eat first, I beg.
Blazing sun creeps on the shore. Time slows down, but offers more. Footprints pressed on shifting.
This is a leftover from yesterday. I have green beans, potatoes, carrots, green peas, red bell pepper, and some other and here I have bread. I made this yesterday. It's my first time. It was so yummy. And here's my salad. I'm gonna start from
through the chaos. Her light shines, guiding hearts with love divine. Simply mercy, hold me strong in your rhythm. I belong. Boundless grace in every move. A melody that
I finally upgraded to the iPhone 11 Pro Max now. I mean 16 Pro Max. Like guys, I'm super excited. I've been meaning to get this phone since they released it, and finally thank you to my man. Like I said yesterday, I don't have space anymore on this phone. This is the 11 Pro Max. It's been like 6 years, I think so, like 6 years. I do try. So let me show you guys what the phone looks like. Oh my god, I'm super excited to check out the features like the camera, the battery life, the design. Let me give you guys a quick look. I honestly think this is gonna ease my creativity. It's gonna make creating content a whole lot easier now that I'm working. I mean, if I want to show if I want to film my morning skincare routine, this is gonna really come in handy. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and try to transfer what's here to this one, because I'm gonna give this to my hubby. Yeah, I'm super excited.
Bonjour, hello. Comment on fait?
Tu mets là,
Ouais.
ça,
Ouais.
tu mets ça là,
Ouais.
et ça tu mets là, tu vois? Non. Voilà. T'as vu? Bravo, tu l'as fait. Tu vas montrer à papa. C'est des...
Statewide race. I just need to know if there's anything about you that could be used against me. How far they go back.
Block.
Bon appétit, baby.